everybody. How are you feeling today? How's it going? Hey! Right, fantastic. I was waiting to say these words for a long time. Welcome to the San Francisco Ruby Conference 2025. I gotta say, these words would not be possible without a lot of work by so many people. So let me begin with some thank yous. And first of all, huge thank yous to the whole org team here, and not only here, not everybody's here today. So we have Amanda, Alexander, Anton, Yaroslav, Aurelie, Steven, Gary, Victoria, Vladimir, everybody from Evil Martians, not from Evil Martians. So many people joined us as the org team, and guys, thanks for all of your work. But there's one person that I want to say a special thank you, and this is Amanda. So this is this person out there on the back. Thanks to her work, this is all happening today and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So she's like bearing this load, a lot of it, and thank you so much. And Amanda is getting the first out of 3 special presents from me. This is a banana slug from Muirwoods, a very San Francisco thing. So you'll see. But also thank you to our program committee, Maple, Cameron, Noel, Vladimir, to 54 speakers that you will hear from today and tomorrow, and around 30 volunteers. Thank you all guys for being here. Yeah. This is only possible because a few companies really trusted us early on. Literally from day one, Chime Financial believed in us. Thank you guys. Our friends from Bolt.new are also super committed to Ruby on Rails, also helped us as PCAX sponsor. And the third PCAX sponsor is Cisco Meraki. Thank you all guys. So I hope you will meet all of those teams in the main space. But this is, of course, not all of our sponsors. We have fantastic Ruby sponsors: Gastor, Intercom, Finta, Avor, Git Butler, the host of the after party, Omada Health, Thatch, Temporal, PlanetScale, and AngelList. This is how many. And this is not all. So we have all of those companies: Scout Monitoring, TypeSense, UbiCloud, Uscreen, Binti, Cedar Code, Planet Ergon, Visuality, YWorks, Siloon, Cactus, Superconductor, CompanyCam, Beyond, Tidewave, Hack Club, and EasyCater, all chiming in. And not just them, more companies sponsored supporter tickets. So thank you all. Thank you each of those. Thank you all. But the biggest thank you is to our VIPs. And this is all of you, as I hope you all know. So you are our VIPs, people who came here, for whom this is all is happening, right? So thank you all for coming. Thank you all for buying tickets. Thank you all for traveling here. So again, I'm incredibly grateful. And there's a person, I'm not sure if they're not late, I hope not. There's a person who traveled here, who made the longest trip here from India. Yeah, so he might be jet lagged. And this is Vipul. Vipul is getting the other banana slug. And Vipul has a birthday today, so congrats. Congrats twice. So I will add 2 more comments. One is, if you like this, you might be wondering how to make this happen again. 3 points. One is, make the most out of it for yourself. So this is an incredible group of people. Seriously, you can never meet people that are gathering today, they never gathered before, because we have not only authors of open source, people that kind of normally speak at Ruby conferences, but also founders of Ruby startups, builders that are based in San Francisco and other places. So we all came here today, everybody who's passionate about Ruby on Rails. Let's make the most out of it. Let's build together. Let's actually take it more steps forward than just meeting at the conference, okay? This is my ask number one, and then share about it. Share how this was useful for you. Hire, get hired, build something together, contribute to open source, get feedback, do something together. Also, we need more sponsors. So Evil Martians is running this. We're still running it. It's at a kind of like pretty big cost. So we're still looking for more sponsors. So if we can bring more sponsors that are gonna be featured on post-production, we want this. So this is my email. Please reach out. And finally, again, to make this more sustainable, I will mention this, hire Evil Martians. Yes. So you all know about us. We are the best developer-focused, Ruby on Rails-focused consulting team. You all use our open source from TestProf, Anycable, RubyNext, Left Hook, Overmind, Yabida, so many things. And we have amazing customers. Some of them you will meet today, but some of them you know from the broader ecosystem. So come, reach out. We'll be in the, Martians are going to be in the Zero Gravity Lounge over there. So come, relax, and talk to us. So finally, the purpose of this conference, I want to repeat it again. Maybe we tried to communicate it before in different materials, but I want to say the purpose for me is very simple. The goal is incredibly simple and incredibly practical and pragmatic. I want to have more companies choose Ruby on Rails for new products. I want to have more companies choose Ruby on Rails for new products today and grow and become successful tomorrow. Grow into those success stories that we are celebrating today. So let's help them. Let's help those companies. How can we do this? One is, let's learn why companies are choosing Ruby on Rails today for new products, why startups are doing this. We will learn this today and tomorrow. Second of all, let's learn what's missing in the ecosystem and what new ideas are being built out, right? So let's spread those good ideas, the new open source, the new ideas in the ecosystem that help us build ambitious things. That's the goal. And finally, let's think how to bring the future, how to bring in the future built with Ruby. So this is what I want all of us to think about and to actively contribute during those 2 days and moving forward. Because we have this incredibly passionate group, and I'm sure we can figure this out. So this is that, and we have a lot of surprises and a lot of special moments for you in those 2 days, and also Friday, our community day. Whether you're swimming to Alcatraz or not, most of us are swimming, of course. So we have lots of things prepared, lots of secrets, and the first one is our MC. And the MC that I was so happy to see. So this is Brittany Martin. Yeah. Brittany Martin Springer. Jesus Christ. Okay, take it away.
Okay. All right. Okay. So look around this room. We have 400 Rubyists here that are here to get together, to learn from one another, and really expand upon what Irina said. And this is why do we need to choose Ruby and Rails for all these startups? So some of you might be wondering where I've been. Back in 2023, I took a hard pivot and decided to take a role that really took me away from code. So at that time, I had co-hosted over 399 episodes of the Ruby on Rails podcast and decided it was time to step down and let it move on to another host. And, I felt the distance. I really loved doing the podcast. It was amazing to have all those conversations, the friendships, debugging alongside all of you. It felt like family. But I felt a distance when I wasn't writing code anymore. Well, speed up to 2025, I switched roles again. I was looking for a role where I could get back to code, where my code would make a difference, where I could be at a company where I felt that I could write Ruby on Rails and actually make a difference in this world. So I'm now a software engineering manager at Roadrunner Recycling, and the goal is to bring down that zero waste, and they use Ruby on Rails every single day, and it's been absolutely awesome. I just hired my team. I was out there hiring and interviewing Ruby on Rails developers, and it was just incredibly thrilling to get back to it. And I should also address the fact that my last name is now Springer, so I eloped a couple months ago, and of course my engagement ring is a Ruby. I've been committed to Ruby just as much as I've been committed to my husband, so that has been absolutely awesome. But my journey back is centered on a theme that defines this conference: practicality. We spent 2 decades proving that Ruby can build the big ships. And so the question today is, what essential practical problems can Ruby solve best? The kind of problems where elegance meets efficiency. We're not just hoping for a better future, we are actively implementing the solutions today. We're doing the practical things to unlock Ruby. So the world is changing fast, and the tools built here will reflect that. We are not just a legacy language. We are a foundational language, and we should be chosen to build these startups. Ruby is future-proof. It's a whole new world. It's a world where Ruby is not just comfortable, but it is here. Optimism is not a given. It's a consequence of our effort. It's optimistic if we build it. So again, my challenge for you for the next 3 days is connect in the hallway track, learn from the deep dives, and go build the next generation of solutions.